Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 23486 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. A few interesting improvements with this build around signing, especially passwordless improvements, Microsoft call them, and that is to use Passkeys. So this is, if you go into settings, you'll see your passkeys listed in here. So that's where Windows is saving the credentials for the website for you. In there, not Edge, but this is actually Windows. So if you go to a site like if I go to say Hotmail or whatever, or office.com, I can sign in with Windows Hello or the security key rather than using the browser's sign in. So I can use that. It'll prompt me to make sure it's detected the site already, and then here's it's saying that Edge is asking to sign into this site using Windows Hello. Now, because I'm using a virtual machine, it can't use the camera, which is on my Surface, so it prompts you with your PIN, but that effectively would do that. So that's using passkeys, and it works with sites that enable passkey. Microsoft, say bestbuy.com, eBay, Google, but obviously Microsoft sites work as well. So yeah, an interesting way of working, makes it more secure. So it's not like it's saving the password and like Edge does. It's actually just passing through your credentials, saying yes, this is you, from the operating system to the browser. So there's no password needed effectively, because the token is passed through from your PC, so it should make it more secure. Right, well, okay, what other changes have we got in here? In the previous build, Microsoft removed some folder options. They said to make things simpler, but actually they're back in here now. That's because Microsoft said because of feedback and so on. So yeah, they've got their things like, I think there was view hidden. Yeah, some of these options like that one were removed on previous build. Now they're back. There's some new effects for dynamic lighting. So if you've got a device that you can control through dynamic lighting, like a LED keyboard, that kind of thing, you can control those through there. I haven't got this connected to anything yet. I've not been able to get it on my main machine, so I'm going to have a play with it. I have got a twinkly light panel, so I'm hoping that you can control through that, or maybe even your Christmas lights, or some twinkly Christmas lights. But I think it's more down like keyboards and mice and peripherals, that kind of thing. But it'd be interesting to see that up and running. The emojis have been updated as well to Unicode 15. So that's for all insiders. That was in the previous build, but it's going out to everyone now. Right, the rest of the things are just fixes. They've fixed some issues with dynamic lighting. When you toggle it on and off, it might not turn your device off. They've fixed some input issues, and they've fixed some network connection issues and some taskbar issues. There are some new known issues. Search on taskbar. After changing your display language, the search box may be in the previous language, so you change your display languages, and in here you still get the old language that you had. Another new one is a context menu in menu background in File Explorer maybe appear transparent. So let's have a look. It's not doing it on here, but this is a virtual machine, so it might not do. But anyway, that's a new issue if it does go transparent on there. And there's a new issue with the wave and the wheel effects on the dynamic lighting, which we talked about before, may not work correctly. But that's it with this build. These password improvements are, passwordless improvements are interesting. I'm going to see how that works with other sites as well. So thanks for watching this video. You can please like and subscribe if you do, and you can find out more on our YouTube channel on thedigital-lifestyle.com.